I think the most common mistake when people order online is sizing, and that's not their mistake really. It's just that sizing is just so all over the place. 90% chance that you're going to get it wrong. For someone who goes somewhere and is a clean large, no matter what they try, a clean 87, no matter what they try, a clean size 16, no matter what they try, they're probably half a chance. But if you're like most people out there, and when you go to the shops, your size can vary between 2, 3 or 4 sizes, then it's really hard to order something online and know how well it fits. And probably also styling, like while a lot of people know the styles that suit them, if they're choosing for a team, you know, a high collar might suit one person but look terrible on the next person. A button-up shirt may look fabulous on some people and not other people. So often when ordering online, if one person's making the decision on the order, you're going to have team members who are not happy with it because the styling doesn't work for them. So that is also a common mistake. Styling, sizing, colour is also another one. So, you know, computers, everything can change colour between computer screens. And so sometimes what you're seeing on a computer screen colour-wise can really have a difference when you see it in the flesh. So that is also something that, you know, people just order online and might get it and go, oh, that wasn't the colour I thought it was going to be. So seeing it in the flesh first is really good, which of course is why we offer part of that service as well.